Need a smarter way to manage your business money in 2025? Here's how to create a Revolut business account, step by step. Step 1. On your computer or phone browser, go to business.revolut.com. Step 2. Click Get Started. Step 3. Choose your account type. Freelancer, if you're self-employed, or company for registered businesses. Step 4. Enter your email address, then verify it through the code Revolut sends you. Step 5. Fill in your business name, legal entity, address, country of incorporation, and business type. Step 6. Upload required documents. This may include your business registration certificate, proof of address, and ID. Step 7. Set up your login details and security preferences. Step 8. Wait for approval. This can take a few hours, or up to 1 to 2 business days. Step 9. Once approved, explore your new dashboard where you can create virtual cards, manage payroll, or receive international payments. And that's it. You're ready to run your business smarter with Revolut. Subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more 2025 tutorials.